Hello, welcome back to European Autocraft Studios. Yes, we're back. Not back, but back. We're back doing some videos here. We've moved to Troy, Alabama. Well, there's a whole story we're going to put together for our Patreon subscribers. We're going to be relying heavily on Patreon. The move was absolutely crazy. That's why you haven't seen videos in a while. Really wanted to get back into it. I apologize to the 944 crowd. That car didn't work out, and we just couldn't get another 944 to do any work on. So what's come around now, since I've gotten here, I've got a car back from up here from Naples that I was working on. That will show a little bit of that. But for now, I've got this 911 wide body. It's not a turbo, but it is a wide body that I need to remove the engine. The car's been painted a couple times. Long story with this car. I don't know the whole story, but it's here for me to remove the engine and sort of go through it a little bit. It's got some oil leaks. It's got some oil leaks and you know, the engine compartment seal is missing. Basically, the car was disassembled, painted, and sold. They just put the engine back in. It's only in with 4 bolts. Nothing is connected. I've got boxes of parts. But just speaking with the owner recently, we're probably going to end up painting the car back the original color. I won't be doing that painting, but I will be painting the engine compartment. So I'll take everything out of the engine compartment and we'll prep it for paint to the original color. This was supposed to be a black car, and he wants the car to be really nice, so we're gonna try to help him get it there. So I have to remove the engine, as I said, but I don't have a lift. I do have a transmission jack, a special one that will take this engine out from under the car, but the car has to be lifted up to do that. That's another video that's going to be on the Patreon account, because it's going to look unprofessional, even though we're very careful with it. I have a method to do this. But yeah, you're going to have to subscribe to Patreon to see it, because I can't let this one get out in the public like that. So anyways, you'll get to see that if you join Patreon. If not, you get to see all the other good stuff anyways. So that's kind of it for this car at the moment. I'll show you after I get the engine out what it looks like if you want to see it. That's great. But there's a lot more good stuff coming. So let me show you what else we got going on. That's my Land Rover. We'll have the engine out. And if you're a Land Rover fan, we'll show some clips on that too, and show you what's going on. If there's a lot of interest, we'll show a little bit deeper. Kind of a restoration, sort of. Long story there too. Everything's got a long story. It's crazy. This is our 1969 280 SE. This car is the one that came to me from Naples. We're getting ready to put the engine back in. I just rebuilt the transmission. I'm waiting for the steering column to come so I can put the steering column in and get all that hooked up, hoses and everything, without the engine being in the way. So that's why, well, we'll show you some of that if you want to see it too. Currently, I'm working out of my home. We've got the wet blasting machine that we've been doing some work around here. People bring parts to me to do. It's a little business on the side. We get that nice aluminum finish, and we're able to do that kind of work. Electroplating, we're plating. These were silver when I got them, so these have been plated. We'll get more into that later. Again, this is just an introductory video showing you that I am back. You see the little blue dot on European Autocraft that you subscribed? We got a new episode. Yes. So let's come this way. Get excited about this. We're going to be doing some 928s. This is a 928 that I bought out of Atlanta, no, that wasn't Atlanta, that was Michigan, but originally registered in Atlanta, in Georgia. But we got that car over a year ago, and it's just waiting to go into. So we're going to do a full restoration on this car. Engine, transmission, body, interior, everything. So if you're a 928 fan, you want to see some great 928 stuff, that's going to be the one. That's got the 5-liter 32 valve engine. We also have an 84 928 coming, really nice one, an automatic. This one's a manual. Remember Kurt from Kurt's Automotive? I used to work right next to Kurt. in Naples. His car is coming here. We're going to do cam housing reseal. A lot of you guys at 928s have oil leaks. I'm going to show you how to fix it. We already did the front, hoping that's all it was. We didn't get too involved with it. We put a new timing belt and did all that work. I might have some clips of that I can show you from a while back. In any event, we're going to be doing the cam housing reseal. The oil's just pouring right out of the oil feed where it goes into the cam housing and lubricates the camshaft. It's just leaking right out a lot, all over the exhaust. It's a mess. So we're going to go and continue on that and fix that one. So we'll take you through that. And I've got a 1979 928 engine, and that's a 4.5 liter. The 84 is a 4.7 liter. Looks kind of the same, but the 79 has CIS fuel injection, and if you haven't known all that, if you don't know what that is, we did a big episode on fuel injection, the different types that all the Porsches have used. So that's CIS. The 84 is going to be, or it might be an 83, I forget which one. I think it's an 84. That's got AFC, with airflow control, and then this one has the hot wire, the LH EZK ignition. So you're going to get to see all the 928 stuff. This is just an intro. Thanks for watching. I'm really going to need you to subscribe, share it, ring the bell for notifications, because it's going to be sporadic right now, getting things going. We've been here only for, 6 months maybe. Had a job in a town not too far from here. It didn't work out. So I'm counting on this kind of work now at my house, which I'm not supposed to be doing, just temporarily until I can get a place to work. Everything's going to help. Everything you can do is going to help. The Patreon is going to be a big one. We're getting that set up. Lots of good stuff to give away and show on that. So stick with me. You were with me all this time. And all you guys in the 944 crowd have, I've been getting texts, emails. It's been great. It's still sticking with you guys. So I'm going to ramble on, keep going if you don't stop me. So I'm going to have to stop now anyways. So we'll see you on the next video. I'm not sure when it's going to come. Keep an eye out for the little blue dot and get the notifications, because we're going to have a lot of fun. Mostly Porsche. We got some other stuff going on if you want to see it. Again, the Range Rover, the Audi. I'm not going to go in the Audi, but yeah, lots of good stuff coming. There might even be more cars coming until we get another place to work. So we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.